Today, I will show you how to find coloring inspiration using Pinterest. Pinterest is a site where you can find plenty of pictures and inspiration. When I'm looking for ideas, Pinterest is where I go first. If you are stuck in a creative block when coloring, here are some ways to find inspiration. Flowers are beautiful, and these can be a major source of inspiration for coloring. Most adult coloring books have flower illustrations, so I go to Pinterest and type in the search box the word flowers. This beautiful image is an example of some colors to use when coloring a flower. You can use the colors pink, purple, peach, and light pink. If you love purple colors, here's another example. If you are planning to use warm colors, here's another inspiration. I love the color combination of this one. It is a mix of warm and cool colors. Colors are complex. Sometimes we make a mistake of mixing the wrong colors together. Here is one of the solutions for that problem. In the search box, I type the words color palette. You will find some beautiful images with a color palette. You can look at the color combination used for that photo and use it as an inspiration for coloring. The next photo inspiration that I search for is sunset. Most of us appreciate the beauty of a sunset. I love looking at these photos because it gives me inspiration when I'm coloring a background. Hues of orange, gold, pink, and purple are my favorite colors to use when coloring. If you are looking for other ways to color birds, you can find plenty of pictures in Pinterest as well. Here are some photos that can be used as an inspiration when coloring birds in your coloring book. Another way to find inspiration for coloring is to search for your favorite colorists or illustrators in Pinterest. These are artworks of some wonderful colorists from YouTube and Instagram. Here you will find how they color the hair, eyes, skin, and background. You can type Joanna Basford in the search box as well to find some coloring inspiration from other colorists. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you love adult coloring. Thank you for watching.